Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to cancel order and refund on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you got to do is simply tap open your Temu app first of all. So once you open your Temu app, you will end up in your official homepage. So once you are in the official homepage of Temu, all you got to do is simply tap on the U icon. So once you tap on the U icon as well, you will be redirected to your profile page. So once you're in the profile page, you need to simply access to your orders by tapping on your orders option. So once you're in your orders, you need to simply find the specific order you want to cancel. So simply to do this, you need to go to your processing section. And once you're in the processing section, you can find that particular order. There you can find an option called cancel items or similar to that. Here there is an option called cancel items. So simply tap on that particular icon. Once you do this, you need to confirm that you want to cancel your order by tapping on cancel the order once again. After doing this as well, you need to now give them a reason why you are specifically canceling this order. And once you have selected it, you can simply submit it. Once this is done, you need to choose your preferred refund method, either by your Temu credit balance or you want the original payment method. So simply select it and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation request. Now you will receive an email confirming your cancellation and refund processing. And once the refund is done, it will be in your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.